Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a halftone effect for images and photos in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright, so navigate to your document with the inserted image, logo or photo. What you want to do next, guys, is left click into your photo, then navigate to the Layers tab here on the right hand side, select the image layer if you haven't done that, and then navigate to the Filters tab here, right? It's that icon here. From that menu, scroll down if needed till you find the halftone filter, which is this one here. Click into it. And now it's time to adjust the halftone intensities. For example, you may go with a monochrome, color, line, or circular. Right, if you like to keep the colors, or you can go with monochrome. It's up to you. Then guys, adjust the cell size. Right, so it would look like this with a small cell size, but you can also go with a setup like this. So yeah, it's up to you. And then adjust the contrast, the screen angle for these cells. Yeah, and so on and so forth. You can also customize the dots here, right? Choose between this one and that one. Adjust the opacity here, which will be set to 100%. So if you move it to 50%, it would look like this, right? And that's it. If you'd like to reset it, click into this button or delete it. If you don't do that, but click into X, you will be redirected to your image, and it would look like this, for example, with the halftone effect and filter applied. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.